and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the third shirt of Bayern Munich for the 24-25 season. And this shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. What I do like straight away, it's got the retro Adidas emblem on the shirt. I do really like that design. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have our usual health warnings. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. kitmm is one of those sellers that I've now started using quite frequently. They are not affiliated to dhgate, although I think they are friends, which is why they've got a very similar name. I will leave a dhgate link as well. Hopefully it'll be for this item. It is obviously quite a popular one, so I should be able to find the link. But if not, I will leave just a dhgate link for my usual seller. Okay, let's get this bag open and have a look at the Bayern Munich third shirt for the 24-25 season from kitmm.com. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt, and the Adidas stripes down here have been embroidered into the material. I do like actually how they've kept the red, this like burgundy, the burgundy here as well. Just matches very nice on this like creamy sort of pinky colour shirt. We have the Bundesliga patch on the right hand sleeve, and that feels like it's probably been heat pressed on that. Stitching looks good, the join doesn't look too bad, it's a little bit off, but yeah, under the arm no one's going to really notice. Adidas has been embroidered in. Bayern Munich badge been embroidered on. And then you have the T in the middle, which has been heat pressed on. That feels lovely actually. The material itself, I'm just going to jump down here, is quite a silky sort of shiny sort of feels nice. Have arrow ready down there. And we have this on the left sleeve, which again has been heat pressed on, and that feels lovely. Let's see what the join's like on this one actually. Again, slightly off, but not too bad. There is a button just here, it's a plain button. It's only just the one, but the collar tips look fine. Okay, a few creases from the bag, but nothing to overly worry about. There's the front of our Bayern Munich shirt. Okay, we're onto the back now, and actually look, you can see the Adidas tag here, so it gives you an indication of how see-through the material is. And actually here, the sizing is coming through again. It's dark on this light see-through material, and you've got an FBC or FCB, I'm not sure which way around it'll be. I guess Bayern Munich Football Club, I don't know which way it is in all honesty. Put my hand in the material, you can't see my hand through it, but it is clear that you can see through it. As I said up here, someone would have flipped it inside out, I bet we'll see. Oh, actually you can already hear, there's the Adidas Bayern Munich crest is actually hidden already by this tag. But it's a lovely looking shirt. I really like this one. I'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at the detail on the inside as well. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now, and here's where our Adidas stripes have been embroidered on. And they look pretty good actually. Bayern Munich patch, a lot of excess cotton, which I would say if you're going to wear one of these shirts like this, you need to wear something under it, because that is going to rub on the skin quite badly. Adidas, you've got a bit of excess of that card there, which isn't coming off. So if it doesn't come off like with a nice easy little pull, then my recommendation is to soak the shirt in some lukewarm water for a bit. That will then break down this sort of card. The button area of the collar, a few excess cottons on there. And there you can see just how nice that's gone on. No creases whatsoever. Looking tidy. Actually, that looks like it's been glued on, look, because you can see the darkness there. So it's not heat pressed, that's glued on. Heat pressed here, nice smooth across the board. Here where you've got that dark line, just shows it's glued on. Okay, that's the first part of the inside of the shirt. Let's take a look at the back side of the inside of the shirt. Okay, we're looking at this side of the inside. You've got this little bar down here that all the Adidas shirts have, and here's our sizing: XL, slim fit, Adidas, made in Thailand. You have that standard Adidas tag that we see at the start of the shirt, and actually, if I push it now, there you go. Let's see if we can move that out of the way for a second. No, I can't hold it out of the way, but you can see, there you go, the Bayern Munich crest. And there is actually up here a product code and QR code as well. And down the bottom we have our washing instructions. Recommendation is to hand wash, so I will say it right, these shirts, flip it inside out, put it on a hand wash setting, and then when you dry it, just hang it dry. Do not put it in your tumble dryer. Hemline looks okay. See what the join's like actually on the corner. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Likewise on that side as well. It's pretty good. And there we have our Bayern Munich third shirt for the 24-25 season. And this shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for kitmm will be in the description of this video, so don't worry about writing it down. I'll also leave a dhgate link as well for my usual seller. Hopefully it'll have this item linked direct to it, but if not, it'll just be one of their standard items so that you can then find them as a seller and see what other items they sell. So what do you think of this one? Do you think it looks really smart? I think it's quite a nice touch to it. I just like the colours. It does ooze retroness for me with this like creamy pinky sort of colour. I don't know if it's coming through as well on the video as the colour should be, but it's very, very nice. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think below. And if you have enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these reviews on a weekly basis. And there it is. There is our Bayern Munich third shirt for the 24-25 season from kitmm.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.